Okay, so let's figure out these limits here. So notice they all use the same function, x over absolute value of x. So if we draw a quick graph of that, if x is positive, then I've just got a positive number divided by itself. So that always means if x is positive, that I always get 1. So that looks like this, at 1. If x was negative, then I'm doing a negative number divided by the positive version of itself. So that would be -1. So that's going to look like this. And then if x is 0, it's just undefined, so I don't fill in a dot anywhere else. So based on that, we can figure out these values. As x goes to 0 from the right, that means as I'm coming this way, what's the y value close to? Well, it's close to 1. Right? And if I said, well, what's it close to as I come close to as x gets close to 0 from the left, what does the function get close to? Well, that gets close to -1. If I said what happens at 0, well, then what I'm really asking is what happens at 0 from the left and 0 from the right. Sorry, I said that backwards. 0 from the right and 0 from the left. Well, these are different. So left hand and right hand limits are different. So limit as x goes to 0 in general of x over the absolute value of x does not exist. They'd have to be the same number for it to exist, and in this case they're two different numbers, so there's not one finite value there. Okay, hope that helps.